Okay, the second rule I'm going to do is one which is called Idghaam. I'll write that for you. Idghaam. There you go, Idghaam. Okay, so this will be the second rule which I'm going to go through with you. Okay, now with Idghaam there are 7 letters. Now it's pretty much used as an acronym, I believe is what you would call it. That's this word here, Yar Ma Loon. Yar Ma Loon. Okay, so if we remember that, and we would then what we would understand is that there are 6 letters here, which is the ya, the ra, mim, lam, waw, and noon. Okay, these 6 letters will be involved in the word yarmulun. Okay, so I'm going to now separate these because this is what we would do. So typically you would remember it by this. In yarmulun, you'll have the letters ya on one side, the letter waw, the letter mim, and the letter noon on one side. The letters this side, I'm going to put lam and ra. Okay, I'll draw the lam a little bit more clearer. The lam and the ra. Okay, so you have on one side you've got yumin, and on the other side you've got lam and ra. Now there are separate idgham rules for these. Okay, so ultimately with this word here, there is another acronym used, and that is the word yumin. Okay, so it's easier for you to remember. Okay, yumin. So again, when you have a noon saakin or noon tanween, and the next word is followed by any of it's followed by a starting letter which begins with any of these, you'll have ghunna in that. So you will pronounce these letters here. You'll pronounce those with ghunna. However, if you have nun sakin nun tanween at the end of a letter, and the next word starts with any of these letters, you'll say these two, lam and ra, without ghunna. However, in saying that, what you would then have is you would have to drop the noon sakin or the noon tanween. Now, what do I mean by that? For instance, if I wrote the word min, let's say min for argument's sake, and I said the next word after that, I'll change the color, is Rabbi him. Rabbi him. Okay, not the most clearest. Okay, Rabbi him. Okay, that's what it says. Min Rabbi him. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, it's min Rabbi. In the Quran, it will be written like that. Min Rabbi him. The kasra will be underneath the shadda. Okay, that's the way it will be in the Quran. So you'll notice, you'll understand that is a kasra. Okay, but what you'll do now is with this min, so where it says min, you'll completely drop that noon totally, and you'll join the meme straight onto here. And what you'll see is this ra will have a shadda on it. What that means is drop this noon, and with this meme, put this meme here goes straight onto the ra, so you'll have mir rabbihim. Okay, that's what you'll do. You'll say mir rabbihim, so you will no longer have any use for this noon here. Why? Because this is the rule of idgham. Okay, and I'll give you an example here. So if we look in the Quran, we look in the Quran here. Let's get rid of that, and we will see here in the top line we said inna Allah la yastahi, where you have this. Then you'll have an, and you'll have yadriba mathalan ma. Okay, now this mathalan ma. Okay, the lan there, mathalan, you won't pronounce the un sound there. You will not pronounce the tanween. It will go straight onto the meme in ma. Okay, so you'll go mathalam ma. Now there is slight ghunna there. Mathalam ma. Okay, that's the rule of idgham there. Now, if you go to the second line, because I can't highlight this unfortunately, but if you go to the second line where you will have min as the last word, can you see that? You will see min. Okay, so I'll try and highlight that for you there. Min. And the next word on the third line is this, Rabbihim. Now, if you notice on the Ra, there's a shadda there. What that means is that the noon in here, meme, you'll drop that completely. And where the meme is with a kasra, you'll join that straight onto this Rabbihim. Okay, so you'll say Mir Rabbihim. Straight like that. So you'll completely drop the noon on the meme, which is meme saakin, and you'll join it straight onto the ra, the meme with the kasra. You'll say mir rabbihim. Now this rule is without gunna. Why? Because the lam and ra are without gunna. The ya and the meme and the waw and the noon. So any words in the any letters in the word yumin, if it comes after noon sakin or noon tanween, you'll drop the noon sakin or noon tanween and join it straight onto the ya, the waw, the meme or the noon, and that would be idgham with gunna. But if there is a noon sakin or a noon tanween and the next word starts with a ra or lam, like this one here, you'll drop the noon sakin, but you will pronounce the ra or the lam without gunna. So it will be mir rabbihim. Okay, or mir rabbihim. Why? Because you can't produce a nasal sound for that.